I'm the lowest sec in charge for ELDD.
My name is Naomi and I'm one of the admins in our CCA. So Rendelin, what does ELDD refer to?
ELDD refers to the English language, drama and debate.
We can ensure that your stay in ELDD will be an exciting one. Countless of things can be gained from our CCA. You can also widen your range of vocabulary, learn to speak well, and experience new things that our CCA offer.
Sessions are held every Monday and Wednesday from 3:45 p.m. to 6:50 p.m. On Mondays, we have our debate session with our debate coach. During the sessions, he teaches techniques that can be used for debates. We also participate in competitions nationwide and also have friendly debates with our peers.
During debate, we become more open-minded as we discover new perspectives. We also prove why our stand is reasonable. Over the years, our seniors have upheld our debating victory with their recent involvement in debate competitions such as SSSDC. They've also secured a spot in top 8 and some of them have even won Best Speaker awards.
Every Wednesday, we have our drama sessions conducted by our instructor. Some may find it to be uninteresting, but I do believe it provides a myriad of delightful and exciting experiences, regardless of whether you work on stage or off stage. Both areas are quite commendable.
If you enjoy being on stage, you could audition to become a cast member. However, if you prefer doing work behind the scenes just like myself, then consider being yourself in the backstage crew. We compete in competitions such as SYF. With hard work and great teamwork, we managed to achieve a distinction in our SYF performance last year.
Before our drama sessions every Wednesday, we make sure to do a series of warm-ups to ensure that we start the day right. These warm-ups, consisting of various physical and vocal exercises, help ensure that none of us get injured during the course of the CCA. Now, we take turns to lead them to ensure that we are all very familiar and confident during these exercises. When we have the time, we do play some bonding games to make sure that our bonds as a CCA are strong, with SMM, of course.
We hope that you enjoy our small introduction to the CCA. There are friendly seniors and approachable teachers that will guide you through this journey, so do not fret. We will welcome any of you to our CCA. Now, we have prepared a short montage to showcase some events that we have participated in throughout the year. Now sit back, relax and enjoy.